Hello everyone, and welcome to my video presentation about the levels of programming language. I will discuss its use cases, examples, the pros and cons, what makes it unique, and why it is important. First, what is a programming language? A programming language is an artificial language designed to communicate instructions to a machine. It's used to create programs that control the behavior of a machine. Programming language divided into three levels, which is the machine language or the low-level language, assembly language, and the high-level language. Machine language. Based on the module, it is a collection of binary digits or bits that the computer reads and interprets, understood by computers but are almost impossible for humans to use because they consist entirely of numbers and directly run on CPU. They are numeric, that means in series of bits like zeros and ones, representing instructions that the computer can understand, that make this tedious and error-prone to write machine code manually. It is not portable, a machine language specific to a particular type of machine only. Ultimately, all languages need to be translated to machine language. It is important in order to communicate with the computers, which computers only understands a machine codes where it is binary numbers. These are the example. I know Tagalog only and I want to talk to a Korean girl. So, I need a translator to convert my language to her language. Pros of machine language. Directly interacting with computer. Software is not required for conversion like compiler or interpreter, and less time to execute. Cons of machine language. Machine dependent, hard to understand, time consuming, for debugging process is hard, and not portable. Assembly language. Based on the module, it uses keywords and symbols to create a computer program. It used for microprocessors and other programmable devices. It is an improvement over machine language. It uses English abbreviations known as mnemonics. Mnemonics gave relief from remembering binary sequence for specific instructions. The computer doesn't understand the assembly code. It needs to convert to machine code which the computer will understand. It needs an assembler in which translate assembly code into a machine code for the computer to understand. It is important in a way that makes the programs much easier to understand through instructions and statements that are converted from a machine codes. These are the example. Pros of assembly language. First, easy to understand because it uses statement instead of binary numbers. Coding is easier than machine language. In developing a program, it takes less time. Debugging is easy. Portable language means we can copy instructions and can be used in other computer and not required to keep track of memory locations. Cons of assembly language. Machine dependent. Sometimes hard to understand because of complex instructions and requires more memory for long programs. High level language. They are closer to human language and further from machine language. Enables development of computer program in a much more user-friendly programming context. It requires software conversion like compiler and interpreter in order to translate the programs or instructions for the computer to understand. It is important that makes the user easy to code, so it increases the productivity of the programmer. It is easy to read, write, and maintain. Here are some examples of high-level language. Pros of high-level language. easy to remember, logic and structure are easy, debugging is easy, less time consumed, portable language, programmer friendly, and machine independent language. Cons of high-level language: takes more space or memory storage, executes slowly than low-level programs, and it takes additional translation times to translate the source to machine code. And that's all for my video presentation. I hope I give you a better understanding about the level of programming languages. Again, I'm Jorpy Albatno, your presenter. Thank you.